Yeah, it is moving out of here. That's the good news. You can almost see some sunshine there. It's not quite sunrise yet, but in downtown Sharon, at least the roads are just wet. They have 26 degrees. Now, 26 degrees, it fell from, what do we have, 27, 28 when it first came in here. There's downtown, I mean, not downtown, but here's East Liverpool. You can see where they get the fresh snow there, and it is wet roads there, and it could be slippery. So please be careful driving and walking, especially in Columbiana County, because over the last hour, they've still been getting that snow. As for how cold it is, that temperature is 26, is 2 degrees warmer than usual for this time of day. High today of 35 is 6 degrees colder than usual for this time of year. So it's going to be a cold afternoon. 26 is what it feels like, so winds again have not been a factor this morning. But get ready this weekend. Sunday is going to be a nice day, probably the nicest Sunday that we've had in the last 3 years for the Distance Classic there. The half marathon gets underway at 8:45. 9 o'clock is the 5K at the Wick Recreation Area at Mill Creek Park. And it's going to be dry, too. There's the other thing. Just it looks like great weather for that. Radar and clouds show you that the snow is exiting our area. It's pushing towards Pittsburgh at this point. So now the only snow that we see is, well, it's actually moved out of East Liverpool now. So that's the good news. Wellsville's still getting some snowflakes, but if you're traveling to Pittsburgh this morning, that's where it's headed. Right now it's not too many miles away there, so be careful driving as you head towards Pittsburgh. It's still going to be a headache there. We've got this queued up to 10:30 a.m. on Saturday because that's when we see the snow moving in for Saturday. Yeah, we're not out of the snow yet. We get some light snow there into First News during the noon hour, and then you see it break up. And around 3 o'clock, we're going to start to see some rain Saturday afternoon. That continues into 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Then we start seeing the snow mixing in around 7 o'clock. But notice how it sort of puts a cap on the rain as the temperatures start falling here. And you might see some freezing rain too tomorrow evening at 8 o'clock. 10:30 still the snow pushing that freezing rain further south. And then by 1:30 during the overnight into Sunday, snow's out of here. We're getting ready for sunshine on Sunday morning into the afternoon. So our weather team forecast for today. Partly to mostly cloudy, high of 35 as the snow has ended. Tonight, partly cloudy, low of 21. Then tomorrow, we get the mostly cloudy skies and could get that rain-snow mix, especially towards the evening. That could be a problem for you. High of 38, but Sunday, mostly sunny. High of 43, Monday 54, and we get some 60-degree days on Tuesday and Wednesday. Along with that, a chance of rain into Thursday as temperatures fall to the 50s on Thursday and Friday.